Hello my dear YouTubers, hello my subscribers, welcome to this channel, and Natalia with you, your personal travel guide and insider from Belarus. I'm getting so many questions from you that I decided to devote few video episodes answering your questions to make the situation more clearer for you. I'm talking about travel topic, of course. Well, let's start. First, the most frequent question I'm getting, Natalia, is it safe to come to Belarus? Well, what can I say? I will be honest that if you don't follow political news, if you don't follow any media, you will not see the difference in life here. I'm talking about social life, going to restaurants, nightclubs, visiting different places. You will not see the difference in between life 6 months ago and right now. Moreover, I had few guests during this summer, and they were quite cautious visiting Belarus. They asked me thousands of questions, They felt a little bit more safe when they stayed in contact with me, because I was like a kind of a local supporter and the problem solver. Because if you get my service, you get my support while you travel to Belarus, of course. So they enjoyed staying here. My guests enjoyed staying in Belarus. They visited few cities, not only Minsk. They stayed up to 1 month here, and actually they were so excited and satisfied with their visit to Belarus that they were leaving the country with tears in their eyes. Can you believe? And they said that they will definitely recommend other people to visit Belarus. So my guests, they were so impressed by hospitality of our country, by nice attitude of locals, of course. They felt safe walking in the streets during nights, and this is the truth, by the way. So you can definitely plan your trip to Belarus if it is in your travel plan. Well, if I convinced you that Belarus is safe and you can visit it, let's talk about how to do it. Of course, it's not so easy. Of course, it is not the same situation as we had before COVID, with variety of flights, with cheap prices for tickets. Now we have a lack of flights to Belarus, and only a local company operates the flights. Many of my, maybe future clients, they are so confused not finding any tickets to Minsk. There are just 3 countries with which we have flight connection. One of the most convenient connection is connection with Turkey, with Istanbul. But Turkish Airlines doesn't work with Belarus, and they cancelled all the flights, and today I've got the information that they cancelled all the flights till the end of this year. Reality. It means that only local company Belarus will operate with the flights from Istanbul to Minsk. The flight takes 6 hours, can you imagine? And the tickets are not cheap. It's not the only one problem. The problem that people from different countries, even if they have a reason to come to Belarus, they cannot find a ticket. When they find a ticket, I'm giving a link down below this video, a link of Belarusian company, where on the website you can find the flight and you can buy a ticket. But what I heard from my guests, that they cannot pay with their card, with their credit or debit card from, from Europe, from Canada, from United States. And this is another problem which you have to solve if you have a reason and if you have a purpose to come to Belarus. And for those of you who really want to buy this ticket, and if you cannot pay on the website I'm leaving down below this video, please contact me. I will connect you and will give you a local ticket agent who will help you to do it, and maybe we will meet in the future in Minsk. I'm crossing my fingers because I am really focusing on having few guests this year. I enjoy showing my country to you. Well, let's talk about accommodations, because you know that we don't have Booking.com and Airbnb anymore in Belarus, and it's a kind of adventure for those who want to come to Belarus. If you need some recommendations about hotels, leave your comments down below this video, and of course I will share my advices with you, which hotel better to choose to stay in Minsk or in other cities. I will give you some links how to book a hotel in Belarus, how to pay if you plan your visit. Well, another topic about accommodations, how to find and book an apartment in Minsk or Brest, Vitebsk, Grodno, wherever. I made a video about this topic a while ago. I will leave a link over here, but of course I've updated information helping my clients during these few months, and I have new contacts, I have new hosts, and if you need any apartment to book in Minsk, please contact me, and if you need a help, I will be glad to help you to book an apartment for your stay in Minsk. If we talk about cheap accommodations, I have also some contacts of local hostels with a price something like $10 for one night. If you need this contact, if you need help to book a hostel, also drop me a line. And another quite frequent question: Natalia, I've heard that foreign cards such as Visa or Maestro, they don't work in Belarus. What to do? Do I have to come with cash, or how to use my card in Belarus? Relax. All foreign cards, they work in Belarus, and there are no issues at all. You can use your card in Belarus in restaurants, hotels, museums, all the places, like buying a ticket, buying train ticket, and so on. So no worries about it. If you want to come to Belarus with cash, you're welcome to do it. And amount which you can bring to Belarus without declaring, $10,000. So feel free to do it if you prefer to travel with cash. I hope that now you feel more informed with the situation in Belarus. Yes? Well, if you plan to visit Belarus using Polish, Lithuanian or Latvian border crossing, you need to know following information: that if you even your country in the list of visa-free countries, this rule works only for visiting Belarus by air, entering and leaving by plane. If you come to Belarus by bus or by car, this rule doesn't work. Actually, it's that's how it was even before COVID. So please be attentive and go to the embassy and get a tourist visa. If you need any help in this, contact me. I will do my best to help you. There is only one exception, that we have visa-free rule for our neighbors, for people from Poland, Lithuania and Latvia. So if you are a citizen of any of this country, you can visit Belarus without visa till the end of this year, 2022. What about visa-free entry and getting a voucher if I'm planning to visit Grodno region or Brest region? Yes, you need to get a voucher from a local company, and you can visit these regions, our western part of Belarus, without visa up to 15 days. If you need this information, please leave your comments down below this video and I will make video episodes about this topic. So my dears, here I answered your basic questions, and I hope that now the situation with Belarus is more clear. Please leave in comments down below this video all your questions about travels to Belarus, and I will make a new video episode, and I hope that it will be helpful for you in the future. If you are confused in any information, let me know. Stay in touch and see you on the roads in Belarus.